Unit 16. How have you changed? Page 106. Exercise 2. Conversation. I haven't seen you in ages. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hey, Thomas. I haven't seen you since you changed schools. How have you been?
Not bad. How about you? Have you finished college?
Yeah, I majored in business administration, and I've just started a new job. How about you? Are you still in college?
Oh, no, I finished school. I majored in drama. Actually, I'm in a play right now.
No kidding. What's the name of the play? I'd love to see it.
I'm acting in A Change for the Better at the Atlas Theater.
Cool. You know, you look different. Have you changed your hair?
Yeah, it's longer now. My character has long hair. And I wear contacts.
Well, you look fantastic.
Thanks. So do you.
Page 106. Exercise 2. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What are some other changes in Hayden's life?
So tell me, Hayden, what else have you been up to?
Well, let's see. I've just bought an apartment on Market Street near the park. It's less noisy than downtown.
Really? That's a very nice area. So you don't live with your sister anymore?
Oh, yes, I still do. I'm gonna move into my new place in 2 months.
Are you going to live alone?
No, actually, I got engaged to Paul. We're gonna get married in July.
Wow, that's great news. Congratulations.
Page 107. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Describing changes. With the present tense.
I'm not in school anymore. I wear contacts now.
With the present perfect.
I've just started a new job. I've bought a new apartment.
With the past tense.
I majored in business administration. I got engaged.
With the comparative.
It's less noisy than downtown. My hair is longer now.
Page 107. Exercise 4. Listening. Online photo albums. Madison and Zachary are looking through online photo albums. Listen to their conversation. How have they changed? Write down 3 changes.
What are you looking at, Zachary?
Oh, just one of our online photo albums.
Oh, look, it's our wedding picture.
Yeah, just think, we'll be celebrating our 5th wedding anniversary this month.
Yeah, and I remember we didn't get along so well when we first met. But a year later, we fell in love and got married.
And here's a picture of our honeymoon. Wow, we sure look different now, don't we?
Yes, my hair is much shorter now, and you wore glasses back then. Oh, and look, here's a picture of the day we brought Maggie home from the hospital.
She's so cute. And now we have 2 kids. Who would have guessed?
Yeah, we're just lucky that they look like me.
Page 108. Exercise 6. Conversation. Planning your future. Part A. Listen and practice.
So what are you going to do this year? Any New Year's resolutions?
Well, I'd love to learn how to play the guitar, so I plan to take lessons.
That sounds great. I don't have any musical talents, but I'd like to learn how to dance. Maybe I can learn to salsa.
Why not? I hope to learn to play some Latin music too.
I know. We can take a trip to Puerto Rico and spend a month learning guitar and dancing. How about that?
Matt? I don't have any money. Do you?
I don't either, but I hope to get a new job soon.
Have you started looking?
Not yet, but I plan to start right after the holidays.
Page 108, Exercise 6, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What kind of job does Matt want? What other plans does Robin have for the new year?
So, what kind of job are you looking for?
I've thought about it a lot. I have a minor in computer science, so I hope to get a job with a big computer company.
Well, good luck.
Thanks. Do you have any other plans for the new year, Robin?
Well, I'd like to travel around the United States a bit. There are so many places that I've never seen. I guess the guitar will have to wait a couple of months.
Well, don't forget to take lots of pictures and post them online.
Don't worry, I won't. And I hope you get the job.
Me too.
Page 109, Exercise 7, Grammar Focus. Verb plus infinitive.
What are you going to do this year?
I'm gonna take a trip to the Caribbean.
I'm not going to take a trip to the Caribbean.
I plan to take guitar lessons.
I don't plan to take guitar lessons.
I want to learn to dance.
I don't want to learn to dance.
I hope to get a new job. I'd like to travel around the United States. I'd love to play the guitar.
Page 109, Exercise 8, Pronunciation. Vowel sounds O and Part A. Many words spelled with O are pronounced O or Listen to the difference and practice. O,
Don't. Smoke. Go. Loan. Own. Hope. Month. Love. Some. Does. Young. Touch.
Page 109, Exercise 8, Part B. Listen to these words. Check the correct pronunciation.
Both. Cold. Come. Home. Honey. Money. Mother. Over.
Units 15 to 16, Progress Check. Page 113, Exercise 3, Listening. Matthew isn't here. Listen to the phone conversations. Write down the messages. 1.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Daniels. This is Alyssa Jenkins. Is Matthew there? I've tried calling his cell, but he's not answering.
I'm sorry, Alyssa. Matthew isn't here. May I take a message?
Oh, sure. Would you tell him to meet me at the theater at 7? The play starts at 7:30.
Okay, let me just write this down. So you want him to meet you at the theater at 7 o'clock, right?
That's right.
And the play is at 7:30, right?
Yes, that's right. Thanks so much.
No problem. Have a good time.
2.
Hello?
Hi, Jacob?
No, sorry. Jacob isn't here right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, thanks. Do you have a pen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, this is Kayla. Could you tell him that I'm still at the barbecue? Please ask him to pick me up here, not at home.
Okay, so you're still at the barbecue, right?
Yes, that's right.
And he should pick you up there, not at home, right?
That's right. Thanks.
No problem.